So here's where we're at now. So what I did is I brushed a lot kind of up and down through the crack, and then once it started melting I went across. But you can see there as we go down the side, you can still see the crack, but there's no air coming through. There's no light coming through. So keep working that, and then we'll go in from the inside. But it's pretty much doing what it needs to do. Like I said, see how it's starting to get really sticky and tacky as the stuff starts to dry off. But like I said, to start with, I just went this way and pushed it down into the crack, and now I'm just trying to more or less fill the crack with the melted plastic. So, but again, keep in mind this stuff is not fun to work with. You gotta use some caution and be comfortable with working with something that's highly flammable and is pretty toxic. So lots of ventilation, use the right tools, and make sure you dispose of the stuff correctly when you're done.